Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Pokemon Go Pawmo Evolve error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you can do is to make sure that you use the most recent version of the Pokemon Go. So Niantic updates the game frequently with bug fixes and performance enhancements. So to do that, just open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, whatever you are using or what's available in your device, and then just type in Pokemon Go to see if there have been any updates. So if there are, just tap the update button to see if there's an update available on your Pokemon Go. Next is to simply restart your smartphone. So if there are any minor bugs related to updates or gameplay, restarting your device may fix the problem. So hold down the power button until the pop-up comes to the display to restart your smartphone. And then next, just press the restart button to restart it completely, and do not worry because it is safe and you will not lose any data on your smartphone. And then lastly, what you can try do is to delete the cache and data for your Pokemon Go. So all of the temporary files that Pokemon Go made on the device will be removed. So just find the Pokemon Go app in the list of your installed apps in your settings, and then go to the Pokemon Go and look for the app info. Go to the app info and you will find delete app data and delete cache data. And you can also try delete app data to fix the problem. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.